for the ship shopping, most will be done, I think, in Cambridge.
Okay.
Cambridge Bay.
Fuel?
How far is it from here?
No, that's 250.
Rubbish.
Well, a bit less than 250.
250. 2-3 days.
We'll just have to wait for a new weather forecast because I promised you several days here, or 2 days. But we'll have to monitor the weather a little bit. There's a big depression coming through in about a day and a half, 2 days.
You could see the cirrus today coming through.
Yeah.
So you want to be there early?
Well, we sailed from Spencer Bay yesterday. We motored all the way because there's no wind. And we've gone through, I'm not sure if it's Fox Basin. Anyway, it's very shallow. It's in places it's like 6 meters where the boats go. So the big cruise ships I don't think can come through. And when Amundsen did the Northwest Passage in 1903, this is where he sailed around the St James Strait, Ray Strait, and around that side, so to the east of King William Island, because that's John Ray had found that this whole area only ever has first year ice, so he deduced that it always melted. So the channel that Admundsen took was the channel that was required to get through the Northwest Passage, and Franklin had tried to go down the Victoria Strait, which is invariably blocked with ice. It was then anyway. What will happen with global warming, I don't know. Probably quite a lot of it will disappear, but it can get quite jammed up even so. Anyway, Amundsen came into Gjoa Harbour, which is this. He spent 2 winters here, living with the Inuit actually, and learning how to survive winters in the Arctic. And I think that's what trained him for doing his other expeditions and likewise down to the South Pole. They've left these old boats, which is quite nice actually. It's quite nice to leave the old boats. How long they'll last, I do not know. But there's a plaque just over there to Admundsen. It's a nice little bay. It's the only good little bay along this coast of what is quite a barren island. But the Inuit, they hunt the caribou, they hunt the geese when they fly up in the spring, not in the autumn when they fly back, and they have the Arctic char, and I think that, when it was available, because there's not too many now, but beluga whales are known to be here much more commonly. Anyway, I shall go for a walk in the countryside here and see what there is to see.